suis en train de lire un livre qui s'appelle L'œuvre noire de Marguerite Yourcenar. Alors, c'est pas un livre qui est, comment dire, facile d'accès, hein. Ça parle, ça se passe, je crois, au 15e siècle, un truc comme ça. Et c'est en pleine Renaissance. Alors déjà, moi, je suis pas très calé en histoire ni en religion. Ça parle de ça, en gros. Et ça compte l'histoire de Zénon, qui est un alchimiste et qui, un peu, comment dire, est pas un paria, enfin quoique si, il est considéré comme une personne qui est totalement en dehors des usages et du coup, bon, voilà.
I will be the last to leave. I won't say a word, just let you breathe. I won't make a sound, I won't slow you down. I knew we were on borrowed time, just a passing streak, nothing you would keep. I fell in too deep, and as far as at least how I remember, we were leaving in September, when red and gold paint the sky. And as far as though maybe I pretended, oh, I wish it never ended. I held on with all my might, still waiting on that last goodbye. See you standing by the door, watching the leaves as they fall once more. In the silence we made, I couldn't find the words to say. They linger in my mind. Oh, I wished you'd stay. Oh, I wished you'd stay. And as far as at least how I remember, we were leaving in September, when red and gold paint the sky. And as far as though maybe I pretended, oh, I wish it never ended. I held on with all my might, still goodbye. Last goodbye. And as far as at least
You didn't know back then what you've been knowing now. Before the broken skin and letting your love out, playing the tape again. It's such a sorry sound. Old shaky monologue, just dragging you around, reaching for reset. Reaching for reason to begin. Watching the sunset. Front porch cigarette with my best friend. You didn't know back then what you've been knowing now. Black lines and dominoes, pushing each other down. When all the games run through, with all the players set, I'll still be here with you. Are we big winners yet? I'm reaching for reset. Reaching for reason to begin. Watching the sunset. Front porch cigarette with my best friend. Reaching for reset. Reaching for